to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Midnight Mass is a sparkling take at the traditional vampire tale. Blended with non-spectacular undertones that still touch upon humanity at large, there are a few questions left on cliffhanger via way of means of the give-up of Midnight Mass. A likely second season is ought to deal with a number of the issues, but will there be a second season? Here's the whole thing we understand about the approximate destiny of a Midnight Mass and what a second season might also additionally bring. Unfortunately, it would not appear possible that there could be a second season of Midnight Mass. The display was in dubbing of a collection and had a quite definitive ending, and at this point there have been no bulletins concerning any other season. However, relying on fan reactions and normal streaming numbers, Flanagan might also additionally determine to launch a second season or maybe a spin-off that takes Vicinity into the Destiny. Anything is feasible at that point. However, again, do not get your hopes up for any other season. If there has been to any other season of Midnight Mass, it's possible that it would be finest in 2022. This could deliver the solid and group lots of time to write, shoot and edit any other season. Plus, the primary season premiered this fall, so a fall 2022 finest could be the earliest. Stay tuned for any ability updates on Midnight Mass Season 2 announcement. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. While Midnight Mass has a few unanswered questions via way of means of the collection finale, it does look like there may be pretty sufficient left to explore to create an entirely different season of the famous display. Throughout the present season of Midnight Mass, we are in introduction to a few characters. A few mysteries have been unraveled and there have been a clean decision for almost all of the townspeople. And because the collection turned into handiest greenlit for its 7 episodes, the writers went into it understanding that they would hard and fast quantity of the time to get the tale across successfully. The handiest survivors from Crockett Island are Lisa and Warren, so it makes the maximum feel that a second season, if it ever happens, could comply with the lives after the occasions within inside the first season. They would possibly try and defeat the Angel as soon as possible and try to get on with their lives after all the terrible thoughts that they have lived through. Either way, the one are the maximum possibly topics for hypothetical Midnight Mass Season 2. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.